Hey everybody, Meredith Oliver here with another video update on the Home Builder Growth Summit. In case you haven't heard, the Home Builder Growth Summit is on November 10. It's the very first virtual conference that Meredith Communications is producing, and we are so excited about it. You can learn more at buildergrowthsummit.com. And here's my announcements. Number one, you still have a couple of days to go to buildergrowthsummit.com and register for your early bird discount code. That'll save you $25 off the registration. That's only going to be around a couple of days because, drum roll please, registration officially opens on October the 10th. So on October 10th, 30 days prior to the event, on November 10th, you will be able to begin to register for the summit. It's going to be $125 per person unless you get your discount code, so go there now. Next announcement for you is our agenda of our sessions is live and ready for you to explore on our website, which is what? buildergrowthsummit.com. Yes. The agenda is live so you can see all of the content that will be presented that day. I'm doing a little twist on this because I want the content to be so relevant, so fresh, so hot, so meaty and packed with insights and not just going around in circles in another Zoom apocalypse. I'm actually delivering all of the content myself. I'm writing it, I'm delivering it. I am making sure that you will be engaged. It'll be dynamic, it'll be fun, and it'll be packed with to-dos, ahas, and insights. Our sponsor partners and our Meet the Experts and our Rockstar panel, they'll all be there within our event app, either in live chat or small groups to help work with you. But the main content, I'm delivering it myself. So you can count on the highest quality of instruction, relevance, and practicality and to-dos for your job. Whether you're in sales, we have a sales track, or you're in marketing, we have a marketing track. Okay, last announcement. And this one, honestly, kind of takes my breath away. It is incredibly humbling when you send a note out to your industry partner friends in the industry and say, I've got a crazy idea, we want to do this, but we want to do it right. We want to do it at the highest level of professionalism and production value. And to do that, we're going to need sponsorship support. And the announcement is that all of our presenting partner sponsorships that have been available are sold out. So, Lynn Davis of Enter Now, we love you. We thank you. We have been a fan of your product forever. And for you to now invest back in us and in this event, I can't say enough. Angela, Dave, Monica, team ECI Lasso, thank you, thank you, thank you. We recommend your CRM hands down every time. And we love working with you guys on a daily basis. And we're so honored that you are going to sponsor the event. Open Door, Open Door. I'm telling you, when I first learned about Open Door several years ago, I was at another industry conference, and one of the leaders of that company found me afterwards and was like, we need to know each other because I think we are each other's people. And I was like, tell me about what you do. And as soon as he told me that they use technology to automate so that you can go from contingent to close faster, easier, better, and it's all done using technology, but with the experience of the customer in mind, I was like, you're right. I am your people and you are my people. So Stacy Rummage, Derek, Team Open Door, I appreciate, love you, thank you for your presenting sponsorship. And certainly last but not least, Open House AI. Open House AI has come to the table as a presenting sponsor. We're just beginning to integrate some of their technology into our client websites, and they are going to make your builder website smarter, more effective, and better for your visitors, which is going to drive more leads and more sales, even when we're already booming. And I look forward to developing even more of a personal relationship with them as I have with our other sponsors over the years. So you four are very special. We have a lot of other amazing sponsors. I'll talk more about them in future videos, but our presenting partners, you stepped up and we thank you. So those are my announcements. Early bird now. Tickets on sale soon, October 10th. Agenda live. Meredith needs to stop drinking Diet Coke. Yes. All of these things are happening at once and we are so excited. BuilderGrowthSummit.com. BuilderGrowthSummit.com. You can find us there. You can find the event on Facebook, LinkedIn, wherever you spend your online time these days. Please connect and get ready to learn, educate, to grow your mind, grow your career, and grow your business all in one amazing day. I'll talk to you soon.